Namaskaram, dear all. Sri Ganeshaya Namaha. Greeting from Pramayas, a Coimbatore-based philanthropic organization functioning to promote art and music among youth and society. This is Ramya Mohan from Chennai and a disciple of Wing Commander Minju M. Yajnaraman, founder, president, Pramayas. Welcoming you all to be witnessing this live recital of a Karnataka Sangeetam vocal on Google Meet platform, featuring young Vidwan Sri Navaneet Sundareshan joining us from Dwaraka, New Delhi, accompanied on the Mridangam by Vidwan Sri G. Navaneet. To say Navaneet and Navaneet, Dvi Navaneetam, surely a wonderful combination. We welcome you, sir, and dear you all. Thanks for being here. We also welcome Vidwan Srimati Suganti Sri Krishnamurthy, a senior musician, teacher, and composer from Chennai. Suganti ma'am has been of immense support and has always been with us in all our artistic endeavor. She has her own YouTube and Facebook portals titled Concerts Classical and curates them with her own musical works and other such relevant topics. Thanks for being here, Suganti ma'am. We are blessed to have your gracious presence. We also welcome Srimati Maithili Atava, General Secretary, Sunaina, and an active member of Karnataka Sangha, Delhi. Scores of other members invites disciples of Pramayas, parent members, volunteers, and well-wishers from all over. Thanks, dear all. Now a word of introduction about the artist of the evening. Young Vidwan Sri Navaneet Sundareshan is a hard-working and proud son of Srimati Charulata Sundareshan and Sri Natarajan Sundareshan of Delhi, otherwise hailing from Coimbatore. Sri Navaneet's love and passion towards music started at the very young age of 7. He feels fortunate to have continued his musical journey under his able guru and eminent vocalist of Gurugram, Haryana, Vidwan Srimati Sri Vidya Vishnu from the famous Malladi School of Music, and she recently relocated to Mumbai. Sri Navaneet Sundareshan is very much passionate performing classical music. He regularly performs and reaches the musical world through his own YouTube channel named Navaneeta Sangeetam, where one can find his musical works on the academic front. He is currently pursuing BBA from IP University Delhi, while simultaneously undergoing company secretaryship. Navaneet has his younger brother, Master Sriniket, a budding mridangamist, and they both take classical music seriously. On the Mridangam, we have Vidwan Sri Navaneet Ganeshan, an upcoming artist and a senior disciple of Mridangam, Vidwan Sri T.R. Dhandapani of Delhi. He has given a number of performances at organizations of repute like India International Center, India Habitat Center, Triveni Kala Sangam, Lokala Manch, and also at many venues in South India. He is a graduate in Stream of Arts and Music from Prashin Kala Kendra and has accompanied a number of upcoming artists in All India Radio and Doordarshan Kendras, Delhi. He has also participated at zonal and state level competitions and won several prizes. We welcome you, sir. Ladies, gentlemen, and children, Pramayas is happy presenting young Vidwan Sri Navaneet Sundareshan as part of our Young Talent Promotion Series. Hope you all enjoy the recital. Thanks for being here with us, and with the best of our wishes, over to the artist joining us from Delhi, Sri Gurubhyo Namaha.
Round of applause. Thanks, Ramya. Thanks so much. Okay, Navneet, over to you, please. Rest all, I would request kindly keep your mic muted.
Thanks to you all for the great introduction, and I'll start with concert with the Madham of Kotishwara Iyer in Hingolam Ragam. And this is a very rare one I learned in the lockdown. So it's not sung in concerts really these days. So I'll present this one to start off the concert.
Oh
also welcome Madam Srividya Vishnu, Navneet's guru, who is joined from Mumbai, and Dandapani Mama from Delhi, who is the guru of the present Mridangist Navneet and Sriniket and so many youngsters. Dandapani Mama, can you come on the screen? Yeah, Dandapani Mama and Srividya Vishnu Ma'am, nice having you around. Thank you so much. Navneet, please continue.
The next item is Giriraj Sutta in Bangala Ragam by Dada Swamigal.
Giriraj Sutta Tanaya Sadaya 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 Giriraj Sutta Suranada Mukha Chita Padayuga 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 Paripalayama Iparaja Mukha Paripalayama Iparaja Mukha Paripalayama Iparaja Mukha Giriraj Sutta Tanaya Sadaya Giriraj Sutta Gananatha Paraparashankara Gananatha Paraparashankara Kamavadiniti Rajanikara Gananatha Paraparashankara Kamavadiniti Rajanikara Khaniraja Kankana Vignaniva Khaniraja Kankana Vignaniva Khaniraja Kankana Vignaniva Rana Shambhakashi Yagaraja Nuta Khaniraja Kankana Vignaniva Rana Shambhakashi Yagaraja Nuta Giriraj Sutta Tanaya Sadaya Giriraj Sutta
Presenting Shri Saraswati Namostute in Arabi Ragam by Muthuswami Dikshidhar. This composition in the Madhyama Kalam has a word called Samsara Vidya Parya, meaning the one who protects the world from all sins. So I think it's relevant in this corona period to sing this, as the virus has created such a unimaginable fear in all of us. So let the Devi. So I'll pray to this composition to the Devi that fear get solved.
Shri Saraswati Namostute Amba Shri Saraswati Namostute Amba Shri Saraswati Namostute Varade Shri Saraswati Namostute Varade Shri Saraswati Namostute Varade Vade Sripati Puri Pati Puru Bhavinute Vidiyuvade Shri Saraswati Namostute Varade Vade Sripati Puri Pati Puru Bhavinute Vidiyuvade Shri Saraswati
Okay, you may like to post some messages to the artist. There is a chat box. You can post your comments, which is visible to him. Even not now, he can see it later also, I believe. So please keep encouraging him. He's doing a fantastic job. Navneet and Navneet. Please continue. Please continue.
Tirupavai Gaula Ragam in Vishnatapu Padam.
எத்து வாழ்வீர்கள் நம் அப்பாவிக்கு செய்யும் இழிசைகள் கேளீரோ பகடலுள் வையத்து வாழ்வீர்கள் நம் அப்பாவிக்கு செய்யும்
Next I will be singing Trivambami Mela Brahman.
வாசம் பரஞ்சோதி கண்டாய் இரவகலா வாசம் பரஞ்சோதி கண்டாய் இரவகலா பேசும் போதே போதி போதாரமணியே பேசும் போதே போதி போதாரமணியே
Manaviyarakin, the main piece of this concert, by Jagas.
மனவியாழக்கின் சரதடே மனவியாழக்கின் சரதடே மனவியாழக்கின் சரதடே மனவியாழக்கின் சரதடே மனவியாழக்கின் சரதடே மனவியாழக்கின் சரதடே
Nice, nice. Ladies and gentlemen, that is Vidwan Shri Navneet Ganeshan on the Mridangam, accompanied Vidwan Navneet Sundaresan as a fantastic team. Keep going. So nice. Please continue.
Next I'll be singing Intaka Nananda Vivi in Vilahari Ragam with others.
दव दव मगरि सत्रि गपद इंद कण आनंद में भी ओ राम राम इंद कण आनंद में
I am going to sing Dandamu Pettenura, a composition of Tyagara Swamiji in Kalamsara.
దండము పెట్టెనురా దండవాణి చూడరా దండము పెట్టెనురా దండవాణి చూడరా దండము పెట్టెనురా దండవాణి చూడరా దండము పెట్టెనురా దండవాణి చూడరా దండము
Next I am going to present Saraswamukhi in Gauda Malvar Ragam by H.N. Mutya Bhagavatar. It was popularized by the great legend Gana Kaladara Madhurmanju.
सारसमुखी सकल भाग्यते श्री चामुण्डेश्वरी 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 ಜನಕ ಸೋದರಿ ಮಾರ ಜನಕ ಸೋದರಿ ಮಾರ ಜನಕ ಸೋದರಿ ಮಾರ ಜನಕ ಸೋದರಿ ಮಾರ ಜನಕ ಸೋದರಿ ಮಹಿಷಾಸುರ ಮರ್ದಿನಿ ಮಾರ ಜನಕ ಸೋದರಿ ಮಹಿಷಾಸುರ ಮರ್ದಿನಿ ಸಾರಿ ಸನಿ ನಿದ ಧಾಮ ಮಗ ಗರಿ ಸರಿ ಮಗರಿ ಸರಿ ಮ ಪದ ಸರಿ ಸಾರಿ ಸನಿ ನಿದ ಧಾಮ ಮಗ ಗರಿ ಸರಿ ಮಗರಿ ಸರಿ ಮ ಪದ ಸರಿ ಮಗರಿ ಸನಿ ಧಮ ಪದ ಸರಿ ಸಾರಸ ಮುಖಿ ಸಕಲ ಭಾಗ್ಯತೆ ಶ್ರೀ ಚಾಮುಂಡೇಶ್ವರಿ ಸಾರಸ ಮುಖಿ ಸಕಲ ಭಾಗ್ಯತೆ हसितवदने आर्द्रहृदये हसितवदने आर्द्रहृदये हरिकेश निरते सदये हसितवदने आर्द्रहृदये हरिकेश निरते सदये रसिक जन सम्मोद रुचिरे 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 तारेश्वरी रसिक जन सम्मोद रुचिरे राजेश्वरी सारी सनि निद धाम मग गरि सरि मगरि सरि म पद सरि सारी सनि निद धाम मग गरि सरि मगरि सरि म पद सरि मगरि सनि धम पद सरि मुखी सकल भाग्यते श्री चामुंडेश्वरी सरस मुखी सकल भाग्यते
Finally, I'll be singing the Mangalam Kirtane of Swami Dikshiter in the Kamalamba Navavarnam Corpus, Sri Kamalambike. And I once again thank Pramiyas for giving me an opportunity to perform concert.
कमलाम्बिके शिवे ललिते श्री कमलाम्बिके शिवे प्रिय करि श्री करि शुक करि श्री सुंदरी श्री शाकौधरी शाकोदरी चंद्रकलाधरी शंकरी शंकर गुरुगुह भक्तवशंकरी एकाक्षरी भुवनेश्वरी ईश प्रिय करि श्री करि शुक करि श्री सुंदरी श्री कमलांबिके श्री ललिते श्रीपति विनुते सिद्धासिते शिवसहिते श्री कमलांबिके
Ladies and gentlemen, can I request you to please open your mics and give a good round of applause to him and again mute the mics. Yeah, everyone come on the screen. That's really wonderful. It's really wonderful, Navneet. You done a fantastic job. Pramayas is very happy, and it is a very sheer coincidence that Navneet with Navneet. I know that's really, and in between after the second song when Navneet Mridangist was tuning his Mridangam, the singer Navneet took chance and spoke about Corona. He waited for him to tune the Mridangam. That shows the stage presence. That's really, I'm telling you, ladies and gentlemen, you must hear us talking sometimes on theory of music, musicology, his posts and all. I'm really thankful to his guru, Sri Vidya Vishnu Madam joined. She's a fantastic singer. And I'll not take much time of yours. Very well done, Navneet. And Navneet, a big round of applause from all of us. Dandapani Mama is available now here. Dandapani Mama is the guru of Vidwan Navneet Ganeshan. Dandapani Mama is a very senior mridangist of Delhi. He has trained so many students and very many of them are in the circuit concert platform. In fact, Navneet's younger brother, Sriniket, I used to call him Sri Kutti and all that. He was a Kutti Payan, now is a young, handsome boy of class 11 now. Dandapani Mama was more than happy seeing this happening on stage. Yeah, see, Sriniket smartly has come and sat there. Welcome, Sriniket. Very soon he's going to accompany his brother on Mridangam. Dandapani Mama, can I request for a few words from you, please?
I had a good opportunity to see this NSS program. Really, they are very good. I don't have any words to express about them. At the same time, the names of both of them are same, only different. 40 inches is different. That's all. Very good. I'm blessing with them always. Thank you.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you so much. That's so nice of you. Wonderful. And Navneet played so well. ரொம்ப ஞானமாக வாசிச்சார். அப்புறம் மனைவியால் கிஞ்சனுக்கு அந்த ஒரு ஷார்ட் அண்ட் கிறிஸ்ப் தனி எல்லாத்துக்கும் சாகித்ய பாவமாக ரொம்ப அழகாக சேர்ந்து வாசிச்சார். So nice of him. Thank you so much. And can I now request Madam Sri Vidya Vishnu, Guru of young Vidwan Navneet Sundaresan, to say a few words. Madam Vishnu.
Yeah. Namaskaram to one and all who have joined for this wonderful evening. The program was wonderful. Both the young budding artists Navneet and Navneet really entertained us with wonderful pieces of music. And I have to specially mention that Navneet, you sang very well, and Navneet, your Tani was absolutely brilliant. I really enjoyed each and every bit of it. So I would like to, first thank Yagniraman sir for giving this opportunity through his organization Pramayas for the young budding artists being a talent promotion concert, really happy that they have also performed well, and thanking you again for the opportunity to
Thank you.
blessings to both the budding artists.
Yeah, that's really, really wonderful. And Sri Vidya ma'am, we will like to listen to you very soon. Very soon. Yeah, please. I mean, I'm keeping a request in front of everyone that you may like to kindly accept our request that we would like your performance for Pramayas very shortly. And ladies and gentlemen, okay, now we have a very, very special youngster, very talented youngster. We all know her very well. Can we have Kumari Rakshita Ramesh on the screen, please? Srividya ma'am, can you please mute your mic? Kumari Rakshita Ramesh. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, before I speak about her, I think she deserves a big round of applause from all of us. Rakshita Ramesh, we used to call her Rakshu, Kutti Punu Rakshu Varda. I had known her from 2014 onward. Rakshu has performed extensively for Pramayas and she has done thematic concerts for us. She did a very, very special concert for Pramayas where she chose to play Dr. Mangalampalli Balamurali Krishna's songs, and she took about a month to master them. She went for some workshops. She attended Prince Ramavarma's workshop and she did a fantastic job. Rakshu had videos, all these videos clippings are available and it is all worth watching. And I am telling you, if I can take the liberty from the Veena fraternity, I keep telling this to Rakshu's father, Mr. Ramesh, who's a good friend of ours. After baby Gayatri ma'am, after maybe the present generation of Vainikas, like you have Jayanti Kumaresh ma'am and Ramana Balachandra, I think I can take the liberty of counting Kumari Rakshita Ramesh in that kind of legacy, in that kind of order of Vidvat, because people who have heard her will not negate my statement. She is such a wonderful artist. I really wish you all go to YouTube and find her. Just type Rakshita Ramesh, you'll have so many videos coming on her name, and she has performed extensively throughout the country and all venues. Very soon I would be requesting her for a live performance for Pramayas also. And the tailpiece information is, okay, Rakshu's first guru is her own mother. Ma'am, can you show your face on the screen? Rakshu's mom is the first guru, and that is really, really amazing to have them around. She had a class now, she just jumped in now. Rakshu's guru is a good friend of ours. I had known her for long years. Vidwan Srimati J. Yoga Vandana Garu from Bengaluru, and she is an amazing guru. I really wish she was here today. Rakshita happens to be Vidwan Sri Navneet Sundaresan's niece. That means Navneet happens to be Rakshita's Attai's son. Charlota ma'am, Navneet Sundaresan's mom is Sri Ramesh's younger sister. So I would request, with your permission, ladies and gentlemen, Kumari Rakshita Ramesh, she may be very small, young in age, very young girl, but she is amazing an artist. I would want some words from her, a word of support and encouragement for Navneet. Rakshu, over to you.
Namaste, those are very, very big words, Hidden Uncle, and thank you so much for that very, very warm introduction. And first of all, my namaskarams to both your gurus who are present here today, and it's so nice to see them as well. It was an extremely beautiful and very, very melodious concert, and especially the Mridangam accompaniment was wonderful too and really added to the beauty of the concert, and all of us thoroughly enjoyed. It was, like you mentioned, a very nice selection of kritis, and we thoroughly enjoyed. And also, once again, thanks to Pramayas for organizing this concert. I'm sure all of you know that Yajnaraman Uncle has always been extremely encouraging towards young talent and students of music and hosts a lot of events. So thanks to him for hosting this concert as well, and we really enjoyed the performance. Thank you.
Thank you, Rakshu. Short and sweet speech as you always do. And I would request, please visit her channel. This program you must listen, where I think this kind of collection of about 7 kritis of Dr. Mangalampalli Balamurali Krishna, I think nobody has done before. Rakshita is the first one who has done it for Pramayas, and on behalf of Pramayas, I really, really wish her all the very best. She's going to be a very big name in the circuit of Veena music. All the very best, Rakshu. Now, can I request Madam Maithili Anil Atavar? She's been very, very supportive to us. Rakshu, can you please mute your mic, if you don't mind?
Hello, good evening to all.
Yeah, Maithili ma'am. Maithili ma'am is the General Secretary for Sunaina, and she's also an active member of Delhi Karnataka Sangha. She's been there around for supporting the cause of happening in throughout the Delhi circuit and all that. Maithili ma'am, can I have few words from you, please?
Yeah. Thank you very much, sir. Really, we enjoyed his music so nicely, and we met him in 2014 when you arranged for that home concert. You invited us in Dwarka.
Yes,
So
you remember that. Correct.
he was very small at that time. Afterwards, now since last year, he is in touch with me.
Okay.
He keeps on sending his all YouTube songs.
Okay.
So every day I listen to him and I comment him.
Okay.
He did very well. Even Mridangam artist also, he did very well. Really, Ramayas is encouraging all the artists, Bharatanatyam, music. Both, even you have encouraged my daughter also so nicely.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you so much. So nice.
Best wishes. Best wishes.
Thanks.
In fact, if I may say something, I think we had even seen him perform in a Dwarkalaya function in a school in Dwarka. I don't remember which school it was, somewhere in sector 12, I think. And he had really regaled the audience.
Mr. Anil, can you open your video, please? Can you please open your video?
My video, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
He performed at a
presented the
concert,
website for the boss.
program, Dwarka. It was very nice concert.
Thank you, Anil sir. Thank you, Maithili ma'am. We have Vidwan Srimati Usha Mohan. She's from Virupuram. She happens to be Ramya's mom and Ramya's first guru also. Ramya is my disciple for the past 3 years plus, but her first guru was her mom. And whatever Ramya is doing today, it's because of Usha ma'am's basic inputs to Ramya. Usha ma'am, can you come on the screen? Maithili ma'am, can you please mute your mic? Usha ma'am, please.
நான் தமிழே பேசுறேன்.
Please.
தமிழ்நாட்டில் இருக்கிறதுனால பேசுறேன். எல்லாருக்கும் ரொம்ப நன்றி. ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு இந்த ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி என்ன பொண்ணு இன்ட்ரோ கொடுக்கறதுக்கு நீங்க காரணம் வந்து ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். நவநீத் குரூப்புக்கு ரொம்ப ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ். இனிமையான மாலை பொழுது கிடைச்சது எனக்கு. யூஸ்ஃபுல்லான ரொம்ப அதாவது உபயோகமா அந்த பெரிய மகான்கள் பாடல்கள்லாம் கேட்கறதுக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருந்தது. இதுக்கெல்லாம் காரணமா இருந்தா உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப நன்றி. பார்வையாளர்கள் இவ்வளவு நல்லா ரசிச்சு எல்லாம் பேசினது ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு. இந்த மாதிரி வளர்ற குழந்தைங்களுக்கு நம்ம மாதிரி எல்லாரும் ஆசீர்வாதம் பண்ணினாதான் நல்லா வருவாங்க. ஒரு உற்சாகம் ஊட்டிகிட்டே இருக்கணும் உங்களுக்கு எப்பயுமே. அது ரொம்ப நல்லது.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, Srimati Usha Mohan also sings excellent. Maybe sometime later we'll request her to perform for us. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Can you please mute your mic? I have Manchikanti Srimati Vasanta Lakshmi Garu from Vijayawada. Can you please come on the screen? Can you please unmute your mic? Will come on the screen. Manchikanti Garu, are you there?
Namaste.
Yeah. Namaste. She herself is a good singer. In fact, the entire family is musicians family. Her daughter is a dancer and singer. And ma'am, I saw you singing throughout along with Navni, Giriraja Sutta, Intakan Anandamemi. Every song you sang along with. And a few words from you, please.
Oh, we enjoyed the kacheri, today's kacheri so much. Navneet, both the Navneets are exceptional. Like now, we enjoy all the kirtanas, all the kritis that Navneet has sung today. Exceptional, really. And no words.
Yeah.
God bless you. God bless you.
Thank you, ma'am. And very soon I'll be requesting you also for us. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now a word of information about Srimati Ramya Mohan. Ramya Vasanta Lakshmi Garu, can you please mute your mic? Yeah, mute cheskondi. Ramya, can you please unmute your mic? Okay. Ramya is one of my senior disciples. Tell me, Ramya, what did you feel when he started with Manamvyala Ginchara? There was a big smile on your face. I want you to explain the reason to the audience. When Navneet started with Manamvyala Ginchara, there was a huge smile on your face. Please tell me the reason why. And I'll explain it later for the audience. Okay, please. Over to you.
It's a wonderful evening that I had today because of my Guru Egniraman sir, and my mom is also here. I am very thankful for this event. This Navneet and Navneet did a wonderful, singing and playing.
One second, Ramya, one second. Mr. Natarajan, Somaskandan Natarajan, you are presenting the screen. Can you please stop presenting? Now the spotlight view is gone. Mr. Natarajan, Somaskandan Natarajan, can you please stop presenting the screen? Okay, fine. Okay, Ramya, please continue.
Yeah, both of them did excellently. Because the time that we started Nadalekanti Raga, Nanadiyala came to me. Like 3 days before I started working for this song, and I really got interested in this song, and I started writing my own composition. And after hearing this, the wonderful Nadalekanti Raga from the great musician
Charlatamani.
The wonderful composition I was hearing before and started writing this. So as soon as I heard this Nadalekanti wonderful raga, so I started getting smiled, but somehow I finished this raga song, and Niraman sir is supporting me very well for this writing new songs, and I'm very much happy about all his support every time. Because whenever I start, I don't have that confidence in me, but he supports me to finish the song. If at all he would have said in the beginning of Pallavi itself, then I would have stopped my writing. But he said it's really good, so I just started writing.
Okay, a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, to Ramya. Ramya was the compere for the day. Thank you so much. And in fact, yesterday we had a long discussion about Nadalekanti. And today when Navneet Sundaresan sang this Nadalekanti, both of us were equally happy. And regarding Intaka Nanandamemi, I would say years before from my guru, this was one of the earlier songs I learnt. So when he did this song, there was an instant happiness. Same as with Sarasamukhi. And the way he said it, it was popularized by Gana Kaladhara, Madurai Sri Mani Iyer. Navneet, you're going to go places. It's going to be really, really amazing. Thank you so much. May God bless you. And Mr. Sundaresan, Navneet's dad and mom, would you like to say a few words? Mr. Sundaresan, are you there? We will wind up with that.
I'd like to say something.
Chitti sir. Oh yeah, Chitti sir with you. Okay.
Thanks Pramayas for the great evening. I was busy actually from 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock with something else on the same Google Meet. And then immediately I switched over to this great evening Pramayas. And I was mesmerized with the great singing. The first glimpse or first hearing of the vocal recital, and then immediately followed by the mridangam. It was really great. I mean, when you want to test something, you need not sit for the entire program or the person to check his capabilities. These two youngsters, I mean, I heard that both are Navneets. They are superb. They'll go great places. And with the encouragement from Pramayas, I feel it's a great platform for such people. And I wish them all the best and may God bless them. Thank you.
Thank you, Chitti sir. Amazing. Ladies and gentlemen, Chitti Babu sir is a great friend of ours. He's a well-wisher, guide, and he's a retired engineer from the Engineers Limited of India. He's settled at Ghaziabad. He is a regular for all our programs. Thank you, Chitti sir. Over to Shriman Natarajan Sundaresan and Srimati Charlata Sundaresan, Navneet's parents. Sir, please, with you. Illa sir, unga mic ninga eduthurugo. I think you are plugged in your mic. Adu remove பண்ணுங்க.
நமஸ்காரம். எல்லாருக்கும் ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ் குழந்தைகளை என்கரேஜ் பண்ணதுக்கு. அண்ட் பிரமயாஸ்க்கு ஸ்பெஷல் தேங்க்ஸ். எந்திராமன் சார் உங்களோட விஷிங் பிளஸஸ் எப்பயும் இருக்கணும் பசங்களுக்கு. ரொம்ப ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ் இதுக்கு. அவளோட குருவோட ஆசீர்வாதம் தான் ரெண்டு பேரோட எஃபர்ட்டும் தான் இந்த கன்சர்ட் இவ்வளோ நல்லா போகணும். ரொம்ப தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச்.
Thank you, ma'am, so much. I must thank you because it is because of you I got introduced to Rakshita Ramesh and Mr. Ramesh, and that is how the world gets connected. Mr. Sundaresan, a word from you.
Namaskaram to all. Actually, first thanks to their gurus that they have made them this much to perform here. Okay, thank you so much for all listening to this evening program. It's really very nice to see. And I'm really very happy on this evening to hear the songs from my son and also to Navani, who is also close to us, because my second son also is learning Mridangam along with their guru, Mr. Dandapani. Both of them are students there with Dandapani, and we are very happy. And I talked to Mama also in the morning about the program, and he feels very, very proud of their Sishyas to perform in Pramayas also. I thank the Pramayas, of course. Egraman sir is following up, and he is giving very emotional things, and he is giving encouragement to all the youngsters for the past 4 years, I know, 4 or 5 years. Earlier when he was in Delhi also, we used to perform, and Navneet was small, and also Rakshida when she visited here, and we have performed in Pumunchu. House programs and all we have performed earlier, and I am really thankful to Pramayas.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Can I request a word of blessings from Shriman Ganeshan, Navneet's father? Ganeshan sir, can you please come online? Yeah. Sundaresh sir, unga mic off பண்ணிட்டுருங்க. சுந்தரேசன் சார் உங்க மைக்.
எனக்கு பிரமாஸ் இந்த ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி கொடுத்ததுக்கு நான் ரொம்ப நன்றி கடன் பட்டுள்ளேன். சுந்தரேசன் சார் தான் கூப்பிட்டு இந்த மாதிரி உங்க பையன் வாசிப்பாரா அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கேட்டேன். இதுல வாசிப்பாரான்னு கேட்கறதுக்கு ஒண்ணுமே இல்லை. இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி கிடைக்கிறதே ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். அதுல விங் கமாண்டர் எக்கராமன் சார் அவருக்கு நாங்க ரொம்ப கடமைப்பட்டிருக்கோம். அதே சமயத்துல சுந்தரேசன் சார் பையன் நவனீத் அவனும் ரொம்ப அருமையா பாடுறான். அவனை நான் ரொம்ப நாளாவே கவனிச்சுன்னு வரேன். ரொம்ப அருமையா பாடின்னு இருக்கான். நானும் அவன்கிட்ட நிறைய சொல்லியிருந்தேன், எப்போ இது பண்ணாலும் 2 நவனித்து சேர்ந்து வாசிக்கலாம் பாடலாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ப்ரோக்ராம் பண்ணலாம்னு சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கேன். அதுக்கு opportunity கொடுத்ததுக்கு ரொம்ப நன்றி. Thank you.
Thank you. And here Shriman K.S. Murthy, he's a very learned person, and he is from Delhi Karnataka Sangha, and he is doing a lot of commitments out there. Can I have a word from you, Mr. Murthy? K.S. Murthy avare?
Yeah, namaskara ellarigu. Good evening to all of you. In following this program, they came out very well. Both the Navneet Dio, they sang very well, they performed very well, and Ekraman sir is nurturing all the young talent in such a way, all are encouraged to perform and come up with the best performance. So I thank Wing Commander Ekraman sir for inviting me to this musical concert. It came out very well. All the best to your future endeavors.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Namaskaram. And I would request. Thank you so much, sir. I have my mother who's attended the program. She is my first guru. Rather, she taught me so many songs. Amma, na pesarthu kekkradha? Amma.
Very good. Mageshpa, na varadhukku konjam late.
பரவாயில்ல, நீ அந்த 2 குழந்தைகளுக்கு ஆசீர்வாதம் பண்ணு.
நான் வர லேட் பண்ணிட்டேன். ஆனாலும் ப்ரோகிராம் கேட்டு ப்ரோகிராம் பார்க்கல நானு.
சரி. ரம்யா தான் காம்பேரிங் பண்ணினா நீ.
நான் வந்தேன்.
ரம்யா தான் காம்பேரிங் பண்ணினா. ஆமா, இந்த 2 குழந்தைகளுக்கு நீ ஆசீர்வாதம் பண்ணு. நவனீத்துக்கும் give your blessings to them. சரியாமா?
என்னோட மனப்பூர்வ உங்க எல்லாருக்கும் என்னோட சின்னவா எல்லாருக்கும் என்னோட மனப்பூர்வமான ஆசீர்வாதம். இப்ப ப்ரோகிராம் பண்ண குழந்தைகளுக்கு ஆசீர்வாதம். எப்பவுமே உன்னோட ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாருக்கும் என்னோட பரம மனப்பூர்வமான பரிபூர்ண நல்ல ஆசீர்வாதங்கள். ஓகேப்பா?
சரிமா, thank you so much. மைக் மியூட் பண்ணிக்கோமா நீ. யா, மைக் மியூட் பண்ணிக்கோ. Thank you Navneet and Navneet.
நல்ல ஆசீர்வாதம் என்னோட ஆசீர்வாதம்.
சரிமா. Navneet and Navneet, all the very best. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause to all of them. And great, we'll keep bothering you, Navneet. Keep going places. And Rakshita, get ready soon. I'm going to bother you. Namaskaram. Jai Hind.